Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly Walmart grocery haul and a weekly meal plan. This week we just bought pretty much veggies and fruit and we replenished some of the other things, but we're going to have one new recipe, I believe, and everything that you see here was roughly about $40. Me and my boyfriend do split the money. So over here, we got some chicken breast. I picked up some BLT salads with chicken, but I'm going to use this chicken. I'm going to cook it up, make some grilled chicken, and then add it to this salad because I think it'll taste better than the processed chicken already. So, got these for lunches. Got some spinach, mushrooms, mangoes because they were like 50 cents, 54 cents. Avocados, they're not ripe, but I'm going to throw them in the cabinet because it's a dark area, so it'll ripe faster. Zucchini, Jared needed some more cheese, so we got some pepper jack. Strawberries, carrots, I do not like carrots, but Jared does, and we need it for a recipe also. Chicken broth, Jared always gets some Monster every Sunday. Orzo, never cooked with orzo before, so if you have, let me know any tips on this because I'm really interested. It's for a recipe this week, one of the new recipes. Blueberries, if I didn't say that already. Parmesan cheese. It is tax-free weekend in Alabama, and these are my favorite pins. So these were like $4, $5 without taxes, so I had to pick up an extra because I already lost like 4 of these pins, and it's really sad. Instead of buying sodas besides Jared's Monster drink, we decided to get some drink mix. So Jared picked up a dragon fruit, and I absolutely love peach mango anything flavor. So we picked those up. And here is the overview of the grocery haul. A lot of veggies, a lot of fruit. Pretty excited. Alright, so for the weekly plan, we're having salad with grilled chicken. That's because I couldn't think of anything else to make, and it's Pokemon Day. Monday, we're going to have the last of our steak and steamed broccoli. Tuesday, we are going to have a new recipe. It's Italian wedding soup. A lot of people have raved about this kind of recipe, so I decided that I wanted to try it out, and I had all the ingredients except for spinach and carrots. So that's when the orzo comes into play. Wednesday we'll have leftovers because this serves, I want to say 4 or 6 people. So we'll have that. Thursday we're going to have eggs with bacon and avocado. Friday is Jared's niece's birthday, so we're going to have dinner at their house. And Saturday I'm hosting a baby shower for my best friends. If you have seen my vlogs or my weekly check-ins, y'all know that I have been spending some money on my best friend for her baby shower. But that is everything that I'm going to be cooking this week. So make sure you check out what we eat for dinner next week if you want to see these recipes. And here is the overview again. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all are having an awesome Sunday. Hope y'all are ready to tackle this week. Now, next week, I just wanted to let y'all know that we're not going to have a regular grocery haul because next Monday, we are actually leaving for Disney. So we'll probably do a grocery haul of the snacks and stuff that we are going to be bringing to Disney. So it won't be like fruits and veggies or like raw meat or anything like that. Mostly snacks and drinks. But I will definitely go and film that for you guys. And then hopefully I will be doing a Disney vlog and what I eat at Disney. But yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and like below. Comment if you have a channel also and that you do grocery hauls. I would more than likely go and check it out and subscribe to you guys. So without further ado, I will see you guys later. Bye.